In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. See the link in description. Number 5. iRobot Roomba 694. Best for first-time buyers. Why we picked it. The Roomba 694 is a worthy choice, despite being iRobot's most affordable entry. In testing, it maneuvered obstacles just fine without advanced navigation technology and captured lots of dust and dog hair. Best of all, the robot offers slightly better battery life than its excellent predecessor, the Roomba 675. You can control the Roomba 694 via an app or your voice, including setting up scheduled cleanings. Who it's for. Despite rapid developments in the category, Roomba's latest entry in the 600 series remains a good first model for newcomers because of its reliable performance and low price. That said, we highly recommend a lower maintenance self-emptying model if you can stretch your budget. With the Roomba 694, you need to manually empty the bin at least every few cleaning runs. Number 4. Bissell Spinwave Wet and Dry Robotic Vacuum. Best for germaphobes. Why we picked it. Although Bissell has been making upright wet and dry vacuums for years, the Spinwave Wet and Dry is its first robot model that can do double duty. It works quickly and quietly, reliably sucking up pet hair and dust from hard floors and low-pile carpeting. Swap out the dustbin for a wet tank, and the robot zips around hard floors, scrubbing them clean with its dual spinning mopping pads. Don't worry about carpeting and area rugs though. This device automatically detects and avoids those floor types. We also like that Bissell offers several different cleaning solutions: multi-surface, pet multi-surface with Febreze, and sanitizing. Who it's for. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly hybrid that excels as a mop, the Bissell Spinwave Wet and Dry is a top choice. It lacks some features available on pricier models, including home mapping abilities, voice controls, and a self-emptying dustbin, but it offers better mopping performance than most other 2-in-1 robots in this price range because of its spinning microfiber pads and support for sanitizing and deodorizing cleaning solutions. We recommend this model for homes with pets or difficult-to-clean hard flooring. Number 3. Robarock S7 Max Ultra. Best suction power. Why we picked it. The Robarock S7 Max Ultra stands alongside the Ecovacs Deboat X1 Omni as one of the most hands-off floor clean robots on the market. Like the Omni, this high-end hybrid can do it all. It vacuums and mops your floors, then empties its dustbin, washes its mopping cloth, and refills its water tank, so it's always ready for the next run. With a maximum suction rating of 5,100 pascals (Pa), the S7 Max Ultra is among the most powerful models we've tested too. It features Robarock's VibraRise mop lifting technology, which is also available on the more affordable S7 Plus, to prevent carpet wetting on double-duty cleaning runs, though the iRobot Roomba Combo S7 Plus's fully retractable mop works better. Finally, it's compatible with a $100 hot air dryer attachment that prevents bacteria and odors on the mopping pad, something you get standard with the X1 Omni. Who it's for. If you're deciding between this Robarock model and the similar X1 Omni, go with the former if you have a lot of hard flooring and you mainly care about mopping performance. Robarock's bot uses sonic vibration technology to scrub your floors 3,000 times per minute, while the X1 Omni's circular mopping pads spin at just 180 revolutions per minute. Both robots left our test floor spotless, but the S7 Max Ultra is slightly better at deep cleaning. We prefer this model over the newer Robarock S8 Pro Ultra, which has a non-removable mop mount and slightly scratched our floors in testing. Number 2. Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL RV1001AE. Best for bag-free self-emptying. Why we picked it. These days, automatic dustbin emptying is becoming a standard robot vacuum feature. While most self-emptying robot vacuums transfer the contents of their bin into a bag, the Shark IQ Robot XL takes a different approach. It has two dustbins, one in the robot itself and a larger one in the base station that only needs to be emptied about once a month. The advantage of Shark's bagless auto-empty system is that you never have to worry about running out of bags. The Shark IQ Robot XL also stands out for its self-cleaning brush roll, which in our testing successfully prevented hair from getting wrapped around it, a common problem with many robot vacuums. Moreover, it delivered strong suction power, effectively cleaning dust, debris, and pet hair from hard flooring and carpet, and it never got stuck. It offers a number of useful smart features, including home mapping for targeted room cleaning and virtual no-go zones. Who it's for? If you're looking to upgrade from a basic robot vacuum to one with self-emptying abilities, the Shark IQ Robot XL is an excellent choice. Thanks to its bagless self-emptying system and self-cleaning brush roll, it's one of the lowest maintenance robot vacuums we've tested. The more expensive Shark XL is another compelling choice that offers double the bin capacity of the Shark IQ XL. Number 1. iRobot Roomba S7 Plus. Best for avoiding pet waste. 4.5 outstanding. Why we picked it. The iRobot Roomba S7 Plus is one of the smartest standalone robot vacuums you can buy. It uses a built-in camera and machine learning technology to recognize obstacles in its cleaning path and automatically reroute itself around them. iRobot has trained its precision vision navigation machine learning algorithms to identify phone cords, power cables, headphones, pet waste, shoes, clothing, and towels on the floor using hundreds of millions of images crowdsourced from its customers who have opted in to contribute to its database. When it encounters potential obstacles that aren't in its database, the S7 Plus snaps photos and asks you whether it should avoid those areas in the future. It only takes about a minute to review the obstacle images, and doing so can prove extremely useful. This method allows you to quickly and easily create keep-out zones around areas that typically halt cheaper robot vacuums. Who it's for? If you have a cluttered home or accident-prone pets, and you're in the market for a standalone robot vacuum, the iRobot Roomba S7 Plus is the model to buy. iRobot is so confident in the robot's poop-evading abilities that it's offering it with a Poop Pet Owner Official Promise guarantee. If the Roomba S7 Plus fails to avoid solid pet waste within a year of your purchase, the company will give you a new one for free. Also check out the combo model, which carries a $300 premium over the standard Roomba S7 Plus and adds one key feature, mopping support. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.